Okay, in this tutorial we are going to install Tailwind CSS. Let's go to tailwindcss.com and let's click docs and let's go to framework guides and scroll a little bit. Here let's click Angular and let's copy this one and go to our terminal. Let's press Ctrl J and let's print our current directory. So we are currently in root directory. Let's navigate to client. Now we are in client directory. Let's close this one and here let's paste. So our Tailwind CSS is installed. Let's go back to Tailwind CSS and copy this one. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code and let's open tailwind.config.js and let's Ctrl A and paste here. Go back to browser and let's copy this one also and go to style.css. Let's go to src and style.css. Let's paste here, save it, close, and let's go back browser. Let's copy this one and let's go to app component.html and let's remove all, Ctrl A and delete. Let's paste here. Let's run our application ng-serve-o. For now let's press N and enter. Let's go to app component.ts. Let's remove this unused import. Let's click remove unused. Let's go to browser and take a look. We can see we have installed successfully Tailwind CSS. We can change our style from here. Let's say text red 500. Save it. We can see our text is red.